Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 82. JIGEUM. JIGEUM. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ji, second syllable is gum. Pronounce it with me. JIGEUM. JIGEUM. What is the meaning of the word JIGEUM? This is an adverb of time and it means now. Again, JIGEUM means now. Next, how do we write JIGEUM in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable G, as you can see, we need to draw first a G character and then it is followed by an E character. So, G plus E composes the G syllable. For the next syllable gum, we need to draw first a G character followed by an E character followed by a mium character. So, G plus E plus mium becomes gum. And now that each syllable is already written in Hangul, we just need to combine these two so that we could write JIGEUM in Hangul. And with that, you just learned JIGEUM. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 72 to 81. But don't forget our word for today, word number 82, JIGEUM, which means now. Now for the first word for our review, it's 어제, which means yesterday. Next word for our review is 내일, which means tomorrow. Next word for our review is 오늘, which means today. Next word for our review is 일어나, which means wake up or get up. Next word for our review is 오다, which means to come. Next word is 언제, and this is used to ask when. Next word for our review is 누나. This is a term for older sister used by a younger brother. Next word is 언니. This is another term for older sister used by a younger sister. Next word for our review is 형. This is a term for older brother used by a younger brother. And the last word for our review is word number 72. It's oppa. This is another term for older brother used by a younger sister. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.